It may have been a sophisticated prank, but as ABC's Bill Blakemore reports, nobody is laughing.
Someone hijacked HBO's live broadcast, and even HBO couldn't get it back. And you would never guess why. It wasn't hackers, it wasn't HBO insiders, just a message and a satellite. April 27th, 1986, late night. HBO is airing The Falcon and the Snowman. Then without warning, the movie disappears, and in its place, a message for millions to see. Good evening, HBO from Captain Midnight. $12.95 a month? No way. Showtime and Movie Channel beware. This wasn't a prank. This was a live satellite takeover. HBO engineers tried to fight back, boosting their uplink power. Every time they did, Captain Midnight matched them watt for watt. A literal power duel in space. HBO couldn't escalate without risking the satellite, so they backed off. For over 4 minutes, HBO lost control of its own channel.
Hello there, how are you today?
Someone with access to a large satellite transmission dish had simply aimed at the appropriate satellite and, using HBO's published frequency, transmitted with more power than HBO. Spokesmen at the HBO Broadcast Center in Long Island are not saying how they got control of their signal back from the intruder, who may never be caught.
So who was Captain Midnight? A rival network? A hacker collective? No, it was just a guy. John R. McDougal, a 25-year-old satellite dish installer. And here's the twist. He worked part-time at a satellite uplink station. He even did a test run a week before the hijack. HBO shrugged off the intrusion. That night he was alone. He knew the satellite and exactly how much power it would take. So he aimed a 30-foot dish at the same satellite and simply overpowered HBO. But why? The reason might surprise you.
An objection to the price HBO is charging dish owners for access to its recently scrambled programs.
Until the mid-'80s, dish owners got HBO for free, but they had just scrambled the signal and started charging $12.95 a month, destroying the backyard satellite business. McDougal wrote letters. He complained, but nothing changed. So he did the one thing guaranteed to be heard. He plastered his message on HBO's own screen.
We take it very seriously. We would prosecute with whatever resources we have.
Almost absurdly, the FBI didn't catch him. A traveler overheard him bragging at a payphone about jamming HBO. Who knows if he would have been caught otherwise? Interestingly, the law changed almost overnight because of this. An act that got McDougal a $5,000 fine and probation became a federal felony later that year.
This is a problem involving vulnerability on the part of anyone who uses satellites for any kind of communication.
In the wrong hands, this new form of jamming would be no laughing matter.
So was Captain Midnight really a criminal? Or just the first platform protester, using the system itself to fight back?